Hi everybody, and today I'm here in a neighborhood called Parklands, and my city, as part of their project to expand a whole system for cycling and walking and the bus routes and everything in Cape Town. Oh look, that cat's chasing. That cat totally went for that hardy-dar. Okay. Alright, in any case, so today I'm showing you a little bit of Parklands. I've taken up guitar lessons. So I'm on my way to have my guitar lesson this morning, and I'm just going to walk through the neighborhood to show you the nice scenic pathways that we have for cycling and walking and jogging. It's cold today. I know it's sunny, but I don't know, Cape Town cold just goes straight through you, so I'm built for warmer climates. All right, well, let me go and show you a little bit of Parklands. Let's go. So this is the section Ringwood to Humewood, and it's right in the middle of Parklands. Parklands is part of Cape Town itself. I always look, it's so weird with the GoPro on my head in the shadow over there. Okay. If you speak to anybody in Cape Town about Parklands, I haven't had one local given it the thumbs up or a good review. They've got nothing good to say about the place because of all the crime, and we have a lot of illegal immigrants in this area that's causing a lot of problems. However, and I'm not going to put my head on a block for it, but my personal experience with Parklands, hasn't been that bad. I'm not sure where they see all this crime happening. But look, you just have to be vigilant. It's just important, we have a lot of unemployment in South Africa, and it does lead to a lot of crime. But yeah, I think sometimes media is just the problem, and it explodes everything out there. It's not so drastic. Hello. So winter has started in Cape Town, and it's the only province in South Africa that's got winter rainfall. So usually you'll see the kids and everybody having a lot of fun here on their bicycles. Because it's dry, you won't get any green here. But now the rain has started, so it's going to turn into a whole different... What's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. It's too early in the morning, my brain's still frozen. Yeah, every time I walk past this section, you can just see more and more water. And the soil here is like beach sand. This whole area. Oh look. Egyptian geese. Yes. Oh look, check, snails. Why so many of them on the walls? Oh, look at this. Oh wow, this is beautiful. This is such a unique color. I haven't seen that color before. Because it looks like a type of hibiscus. This is like a doggy daycare. Check. It's cute, right? 4 paws in. Very cute. Oops. And this is the notorious Parklands main road. I'll come and walk it for you one day. They tell you horror stories about this place. And I'm trying to understand, is it just the media causing that, or is it an actual problem? I don't know. All right, well. Now this little section, I don't think it forms part of these routes. I think it's just people walking, and then it formed like this through the neighborhood type of footpath. But this is what I walk to get to my guitar lesson quicker. Otherwise you have to go all around the neighborhood to get back to the same spot. So it's just like a shortcut. They've recently cut the grass, I can smell it. I love that smell. Um, I think I'm a little bit late today. I left later than expected. I prefer walking. I get up much earlier than ordinary people and go to bed later just to accommodate my walking habits. But I mean, it's really healthy, and so I'm a really creative person, and it helps me with my creativity because everything comes to me while I'm walking. Like, I have time to just space out into a different dimension, if you want to call it that, and then, you know, I get really creative afterwards. So it's a healthy thing for me, for sure. Okay everybody, I hope you enjoyed the walk with me, and yeah, like I said, this is a little bit of Parklands. I will also walk through the sort of like, you know, more commercial side of the towns for you when I have time, but I enjoy these little nature walks and encourage people to use it more often. Okay, well, thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, and leave some comments. I love reading them. Until next time everybody, bye.